Filtration. Today we are going to study about filtration and adulteration. Filtration. We use filter papers to remove the impurities. A filter paper has a very fine pores, much smaller than soil particles. Let us see how to use the filter paper. Take a piece of filter paper, fold it to make a cone. Slowly pour the mud water over the filter paper. On filtration, clear water flows down the funnel and mud settles as residue on the filter paper. The method of separating insoluble components, sand, mud, etc., from a mixture using a filter paper is called filtration. The liquid which passes through the filter and comes down is called filtrate, and the insoluble component left behind on the filter paper is called residue. Most houses, people use commercial water filter to remove not only the impurities but also to kill the harmful germs in water using UV rays. Reverse osmosis (RO) is a process of removing impurities from water to make it potable. Food adulteration. Sometimes things that we buy in the market are mixed with harmful and unwanted substance. This process is called adulteration. Food adulteration is defined as the intentional addition of non-permitted foreign matter. Reason for food adulteration are to get more profit, to increase the weight, adulterant is added, to increase the volume of trade by showing lower prices. Food is tea. The adulterant used in tea are used tea leaves, processed and colored. This will cause liver disorder. The next food item is milk. The adulterant used in milk is unhygienic water and starch. This will cause stomach disorder. Edible oil. Unedible oil is mixed with edible oil and this will cause carcinogenic. Turmeric powder. Lead chromate is mixed with turmeric powder. This will cause liver disorder. Paneer, khoya, condensed milk and milk. In this, starch and water is used as an adulterant and this will cause stomach disorder. Ice cream. In ice cream, peprononyl, ethylene acetate, butyraldehyde, nitrate, washing powder, etc. Peprononyl is used as a pesticide and ethyl acetate cause diseases affecting lungs, kidney and heart. Coffee powder. Turmeric seed, chicory powder is mixed with coffee powder. This will cause diarrhea, stomach disorder, giddiness and severe joint pains. Banana. Adulterant are calcium carbide. It is used to ripen the fruit. If the stem of the banana appears green instead of shiny yellow, it has probably been ripened by calcium carbide. and this will cause carcinogenic, can harm digestive system and liver. Apples. Adulterant used here is wax coating. How it can be detected? The apple will appear very glossy and shiny. It could have slightly scratches and you may notice a thin layer peeling off, which is the wax. They can harm the digestive system, can also lead to ulcer and gastric problems. Mangoes. Adulterant used are calcium carbide to ripen the fruit. If the color of the mango is uniform, or if you find dark green patches around the mangoes on the surface where they are kept, and this can lead to headache, dizziness, nausea, and neurological problems. Chili powder. The adulterant used are brick powder. Add a small amount of chili powder in water. The brick powder will settle and the pure chili powder will float. Health effects are it can cause loss of vision, respiratory and digestive problems. Tea leaves. Here the adulterant are coal tar dye. How to detect means scatter samples on the moistened blotting paper. Appearance of color spots after 5 minutes shows the presence of adulterant, and this will cause carcinogenic and extremely poisonous. Black pepper. Here the adulterant is papaya seed. Harmful effect of papaya seed can cause serious liver problem and stomach disorder. Different types of food adulteration. So this can be caused intentional by adding sand, marble chips, stones and mud, other filth, talc, chalk powder, water, mineral oil. And food adulteration can even caused by accidental method, by pesticides, residues tinned from cane, dropping of rodent larvae in foods, and food adulteration can be caused by metallic contamination, arsenic from pesticides, lead from water, mercury from effluents, from chemical industries, tins from cans, packaging hazards, polythene, polyvinyl chloride, and allied compounds are used to produce flexible packaging materials. Effects of adulteration. It is injurious to health. It causes many diseases. It also causes deficiency disease as it disables us to get the real nutrients of the quality product. It causes children deficiency in health and mental ability. It causes new diseases in our body like cancer, damage to the digestive tract, liver and stomach disorder. It doesn't allow to enhance the product. Create healthy life by drinking plenty of water, exercise regularly, sleep 8 hours per night, relax daily, stop negative thoughts patterns, lighten your toxic burden, eat nutrient-dense food. Today we are going to see about adulteration. Okay, ma? In matter around us, we are going to see the topic adulteration. Adulteration means something that we buy in the market are mixed with harmful and unwanted substance, and this process is called as adulteration. Food can also adulterated due to carelessness or lack of proper handling. We must be careful about the common adulteration in our consumable goods especially in food. Consumption of any adulterated food will be harmful and can be a health hazard. An adulterated substance will not indicate the true properties of the original substance. For example, used tea leaves are sometimes used as a adulterated adulterants in the tea.